What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys a two-in-one trading strategy. This means that this strategy works for booming crash trading and for all volatility indices trading. That is your V75s, your V10s, your V10s, your V100s. And then on booming crash, we're talking about boom 300, boom 500, boom 1000, and also crash 300, crash 500, and crash 1000. So this is a boom and crash sort of universal strategy, a two-in-one strategy that covers both boom and crash and your volatility indices. So this is an all-in-one strategy if you are using deriv.com, which is the broker that I'm currently using, and I'm going to share with you guys this very powerful strategy. Guys, if a strategy can work on boom, and also it can work from volatility indices, it really means that it's a very powerful strategy. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. I want to teach you how to install it and also the conditions that have to be met for you to enter a trade when you're using this strategy. So we'll do the step-by-step process of installing and also the step-by-step process of how it works for both when you are on boom, and then we are also going to switch to V75, which will be our example for volatility indices. Okay, if you already had a strategy before, just check this one out and see how it performs. Maybe it might be better than what you already have. You never know, because learning is always progressive. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post videos like this right here on this platform. This will allow you not to miss any updates, any corrections, or any latest strategies like this one that I'm teaching right here today. Okay, and if you want to also participate in some promotions that we have, you can subscribe, you can like this video, and you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing me that you have subscribed and you have liked this video, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for free. Yes guys, I'll add you for free. So make sure you just like this video and then you just subscribe and send me on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to get that number from our Telegram channel, which I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, it's completely free to join. All you have to do is click that link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. Okay, with that said, let's talk about what we have right here on the charts. Let me quickly remove some of these lines so that they don't confuse you. What we have right here is a strategy that we're going to be using to do sort of like long opposition trading or intraday trading, because we're going to be using a 15-minute time frame, which means you're going to be looking at a bigger picture than we normally do, probably in your 1-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll go to indicators. I'll remove all the indicators that I have, so up until I'm left with this blank chart, and we're going to start afresh on installing this strategy. So the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average, and we want it to be on our main chart. And this moving average is going to have a period of 10, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then no levels, of course, and then the color for this one will be blue. All right, and then I'll click done, and as you can see, I have that blue line running across our charts. Moving on, we want to install the famous relative strength index, or the RSI, and it should have the following properties: a period of 1, apply to close, levels, we're only going to need 2 levels, level 10 and level 90, and then the styling, of course, we're going to pick the color white for the RSI because we don't want it to be visible on our charts. So if you click on done right now, you see that no other line will be visible except the one that contains our levels. That's the level 10 and the level 90 that I introduced to you recently. So let me click on done. Can you see we now have the RSI, but it's blank? just have these levels which we need. Okay, next we want to install an indicator under our indicator window 1. So I'll click on indicator window 1, then click on moving average, then I'll change the properties. So this one will have a period of 50, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then the color, I'll change this one to maybe red for a change. And we'll click on done, and we have that red line right there on our charts, which is our EMA 50, or exponential moving average of period 50. Okay, then last but not least, we need to add another moving average under our indicator window 1, but this one we have a period of 1, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, no levels, and then the styling for this one, which is the gold color or any color of your choice. And then we click on done, and as you can see, we have successfully installed our strategy. Okay, just a recap on our settings, just to make sure we have all the correct settings. Yes, we do. So now what's basically left is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. But before I move on to that, I just wanted to remind you guys that we offer account management, we offer mentorship, we offer signals. So if you want to learn more about all this, make sure you join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. It's completely free to join. In our account management program, we basically submit your account to us, we trade it on your behalf, and then we share the profits, we split the profits that we make. So if you want to learn more about the terms and conditions and the minimum balances or minimum equity, make sure you contact me from the WhatsApp number. If you want to learn forex trading from scratch, if you want to learn how to trade Nasdaq, you want to learn how to trade US 30, all those things, I've created a third channel. It already has 5 banger strategies on Nasdaq, so make sure you go check it out. The link is in the description box below again, so you can easily access it from the description box below. Okay, so let's get into how to trade with this strategy. The first thing is you're going to be using the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to be using your third zoom level. So basically, this is the smallest zoom level, 1, 2. This is the third zoom level, right? And you're going to be following some basic concepts, of course. Right. For you to enter into a trade on boom, the following conditions would have to occur. Let me first highlight them. Okay, those are the 2 conditions that need to be met for us to enter a sell position on boom. The first thing is you want your golden red line to be at levels 90 or anywhere closer to level 90, like that, and they should also have a cross, or they should also cross each other like that. And you also need your candlesticks to cross to be below that blue line, and then you can enter into a sell trade. And as you can see, it's already rewarding, and it's already paying those that would have that they ended early. The same thing, even if you want to enter a buy trade, you're going to look for this and the cross, and also when price crosses to be above that moving average, and as you can see, the market pushed all the way up. Same thing happened here. And the market pushed all the way down, right? This is boom 500. You can also do it the same on crash. You also get the same results, as you can see, with nice setups here. another nice one, and the market pushed all the way down like that. Okay, now like I said, this strategy also works for volatility indices. Now that you have seen that it works for boom and crash, let's check V75 and see how it performs. Can you see, guys, how powerful this strategy is? How powerful this strategy is. Can you see? Here would be your entry point, and you push all the way up with the market. This was the sell setup for this strategy. This was the sell setup. Can you see how much it pushed all the way down? So I want you guys to practice this strategy. Try this strategy out, even if you go to V10, V25, V100, boom 300, whatever. Can you see? Okay, our entry will be here. Sorry, our entry will be here. Can you see how much it pushed all the way to the upside? So if you have any other questions concerning this strategy, ask them in the comment section below, or contact me on my WhatsApp number. I'll be glad to explain it to you and basically allow you to learn more about this strategy. We could go on and on just looking at these examples, but what I prefer is you guys go to your charts on your demo account and actually back test this strategy and see how it works, right? Rather than just being here watching all the examples that I teach. So that's all for this strategy. Until next time.